ba kansara okushaba ngo habeho kuhangaho emiruka endiijo bigambirwe oba bari omu kanso ha mbuga nkuru za district ya Rukungiri. Ba kansara abo nibagira ngu hariho emiruka n'ebyaro bikye konka emiruka egi nayo neetunga esente za PDM ezirikwingana n'emiruka n'ebyaro bingi ekibagizire ngu eki tikiri ky'oburinganiza.
According to what I've observed so far in the process of the new administrative unit that we created, it's as if our administrative units have already been approved somewhere, they're already in the process. So my Mr. Speaker, I would request that our Honorable Council can make a follow-up poll and see how far we can move in terms of following our new recommended administrative unit. I beg to Mr. Speaker.
Twakora recommendations zo kugira ngo Nyarushanje ya Kishenyi tugisharemu na Rujumbura tugisharemu na nemiruka iri kurenga 18 utwabe twikirize na kanso twakora resolutions byagenda bishimiye kubana biza konka emiruka emwe iri ku 18 emwe yatandikire gukora.
Abo nibonje abagira ngo n'enshuminche hwire mukuru w'ihanga ubwo atayire cyanga cya kigeze inshongeji bakajya umugambira
tukine byaro bihango munonga kushange cyaro nikitunga miliyoni 5 miliyoni 100 nyine kwe kine byaro bikurenga 8 10 ne kine byaro bishatu nkarwere hati batandikire kutunga umurundo gwa kabiri abandi tubakabire no kubiceka. So tugira ngo government still ikintu mu mahanga gukurika ngo urebe byaro byasharwa.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Rukungiri nagira ngo enyuma ho bakaba bahangire emiruka 18 konka hati tubara kubasa kongera mu ndijo.
Because even in the voting gazette that is being made, they are there. So the fact that they put them there and it is the same company, they can no longer deny it. So ours, we have already made a step. We shall find it difficult to create more. But this which we have already created, I would figure out.
Gasha kwa Dan Basibi.